Fuel Injector Pro 104, brought to you by goldeagle.com. Used on gasoline products, ranging from cars, trucks, boats, motorsports, and small engines. It's user-friendly. The instructions are on the back of the bottle, which make it easy to use. And for maximum performance, I highly recommend using two 16-ounce bottles of Fuel Injector Pro cleaner. Fuel Injector Pro 104 not only cleans the entire fuel system, but also reduces rough idle, improves power and miles per gallon. It's the strongest formula available. The name speaks for itself. This stuff is easy to use. First, we're going to go ahead and start the car. Check your fuel level. Make sure the fuel level is between empty to half tank to make the best out of it. Next, shut the car off. Next, open the fuel fill cap. Grab a bottle of Fuel Injector Pro 104 and pour it into the fuel tank. Now that you've emptied the bottle of fuel injector cleaner, we're going to go ahead and put the fuel fill cap back on. This stuff makes dreams come true. We're actually almost done. Start the car back up and go about your day. Once the fuel gauge reads close to empty, add another bottle of 104 to get the best results. Hopefully you found today's video effective. If so, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that when the next video is released, you will be notified. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.